Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to change default search engine in Google Chrome. So to get started, first of all head over to your Google Chrome browser and then you'll be up here with this type of screen interface. So in order to change default, what you're gonna do is click on that three dots up here on the top right corner, and then what you're gonna do is click on that settings option, and upon clicking on settings you'll be up here with several options. So you can see search engine right there. Simply tap on it and there you have many options such as Google, Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo and etc. So you can change your settings or default to anyone you like. So that's all guys, this is how easily you can change default search engine in Google Chrome. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.